Good morning. Welcome back to week 2 and day 3 of multiculturalism and social justice. The first thing you need to do is you need to think about this question. What is one characteristic of your home culture that is different from American culture? If you do not come to class, you do not have to do anything with this question other than think about it. As you can see, the red apple is different from the green apples. Different, similar. So consider, how's your home culture different from American culture? Our content and language objectives for this week are as follows. This week we will be able to explain what culture is so we can compare cultural differences. We will know we have it when we can identify characteristics of our home cultures and compare them to American cultural characteristics. This week, we will be able to describe differences in culture using comparative adjectives with the help of sentence frames. So again, as you can see, same means everything is the same, right? So same is similar to el mismo in Spanish. Same just means that there is no difference. So we have 2 orange rectangles to show same. Similar means that there are some differences, but they're mostly the same. So we see orange and blue rectangles, still the same shape, but different colors. Different means that everything about them is different, right? There's nothing that's the same. So we have orange rectangle, green oval. Okay, so this was some of your characteristics that you had to identify for American culture. We're going to compare them to Mexican culture. So we can see here in American culture, Christianity is a common religion, hard work is very important, and freedom is important. Those are all the beliefs of American culture. Practices include shaking hands to say hello, working many hours a week, getting fast food while going somewhere else, playing football. Materials include hot dogs, the American flag, and Coca-Cola. Mexican culture is similar, but still pretty different. They also believe hard work is important, that Christianity is a common religion there, and family is the most important thing you have. That's what makes them a little bit different. Their practices include celebrating Mexican Independence Day, dancing to banda music, and having big parties with family and friends often. Some of the materials include horchata, piñatas, and Coca-Cola. So we can see American culture and Mexican culture are similar because they both believe hard work is important. American culture and Mexican culture are similar because they both have Coca-Cola. American culture and Mexican culture are different because American culture plays football. Mexican culture does not. American culture and Mexican culture are different because Americans do not have big parties with family and friends often, but Mexican culture does. So the next thing you need to do is, now that we've practiced identifying how cultures are similar or different, you need to go here and you need to look at the examples for American cultural beliefs, practices, and materials, and think of your own for the country you come from. So here you would type in the country you come from. Maybe it's Somalia. Maybe it's Ethiopia. Maybe it's Honduras. Wherever you come from, type the name of your culture here and think, what do we think? What do we believe in our culture? What do we do in our culture? What can we touch? What is a material or an item from our culture? Then you need to complete the sentence frames. Here, you need to tell me what Americans do. Here, you need to tell me the name of your country. Here, you need to tell me the name of your country. Here, tell me what people from your home country do. Here, write the name of your home country, and here, tell me what both you and